So how to fix Chrome browser error problem? In today's video, we are gonna show you how to do it. All what you wanna do is go to your browser, go to the top corner here, click on those three dots and click on settings. Click on privacy and security and click on clear browsing data, click on clear data and then click on privacy guide and click next, next and next and done. And then click on cookies and other site data, choose allow all cookies, go back again and this time click on security, choose the standard protection and make sure to disable this option and enable this option here. Go back to the privacy and security again and then all what you want to do now is click on system right here, disable those two options and then restart your PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe.